Snowman says, Yo, it's been a glorious day, my friend. Had a great convo with a buddy about a small group I'm co-leading there soon. Awesome. Thank you for the shout out. You're welcome. Mine was good. How about yours? It's a Wonderful Life is a great movie. Yes, yes, and yes. No argument. No discussion. No. I'm glad that we are. Not only is it the greatest Christmas movie ever created, I will go as far to say is the greatest movie ever created. Did I stutter? I did not stutter. I meant what I said. I meant what I said. I said what I meant. The greatest movie ever. Try to top it. And I have seen other movies. I'm not a big movie fan. I watch a bunch of Star Wars. I watch a bunch of Marvel movies. Which, by the way, I'm sorry to say that my favorite franchises are not as great as they used to be. Sorry, Disney. Mine was good. How about yours? I just read that. I've read that already. Stop me if I've read this once before. My family has just come back from Philadelphia. Got to see them. Help them with stuff from the car. Big haul, the Christmas haul. By the way, has anyone noticed? There's a meme going around the internets. It's this guy talking about these gifts that his mother gave him. He has a mug he's drinking from, and it's a little red truck holding a Christmas tree, and then he says, "And look at this. This is something she gave me last year. It's a little red truck holding a Christmas tree." And then, hey, here's something else. It's a little red truck hauling a Christmas tree. Hey, here's a tablecloth with a little red truck hauling a Christmas tree. And I was like, I didn't realize there were so many little red trucks hauling Christmas trees. I didn't realize it was a thing. How have I not noticed all these little red trucks hauling Christmas trees? How can I get the license? How can I purchase the license for all these red trucks with Christmas trees? Are they copyrighted? Can I make a TV special with a little red truck? Hi kids, I'm a little red truck. I don't have a Christmas tree, but someday I will. Someday I'll have a Christmas tree. All the Little Red Trucks wouldn't let him play Little Red Truck games. I cracked myself up. So my daughter is the one who brought this to my attention. So I got her some wrapping paper with little red trucks hauling Christmas trees. And not only that, she also got me an actual little red truck hauling a Christmas tree. It was quite entertaining. Quite the entertainment. It's the thoughts behind the joke that counts. Alright, here we go. Let's take. So this is Judah taking the robe off of Joseph as he is being pushed down into the cistern. Let's try that one again. Polished Man says, I wish I had the ability to do something like this. It is not too late to start. It is not too late to start small. There are many talents I wish I had. It all depends on how much time that you have. Art is a journey. It's not like... And no artist has arrived. If you ask any artist, even professional artists, if they have arrived, they will tell you, if they're honest, they will tell you that they are looking for, they're trying to find some other pinnacle that, like my favorite artist to watch, he has, is David Finch. David Finch has a art stream on YouTube it used to be on Monday nights, but now he does it, I think he does it when he can, because of family issues, but he will readily say that he's trying to do something that he's not able to do yet, and especially in painting, he's an excellent penciler and inker, but in coloring and painting is where he thinks he needs work. So, and that goes for anything, like music or streaming and or, I don't know, parenting. That's what makes things interesting. That's what makes life worth living. If I had nailed, if I could do art right every single time, there would be no excitement to it. There would be no challenge in it. Yeah, glad to hear that. Pick up something and draw it. Draw. Don't. The only person to stop you is you. If you have 10,000 hours, use those 10,000 hours wisely. Find some YouTube videos. Find an art style that you want to. It doesn't have to be comic art. It could be any kind of art. I'm also a musician on the side. I've decided to concentrate on art because of this project. It's just like video gaming. It's just like any game that you pick up. You're going to have to get better at that game. The more experience points that you put in, the more time you put into it, the more experience points you get. All right, getting a lot of cloak done, a lot of this coat, Technicolor Dream coat being done.